2 bees were on that wasp immediately. There he is. I just hit him, but he was able to fly off. Those wasps are pretty relentless. Hopefully that was a fatal blow on that wasp that came in. 2 bees were on him like immediately. And they ended up down on the ground. The wasp came up. You know, I wouldn't doubt that the wasp could have killed both those bees, but man, they were on it super fast. I could really smell the honey or pollen coming out of the smell coming out of the hive. There's some white pollen. Somebody dragging somebody off. A little bit of robbing, maybe. That one just got kicked out. I see the wasps picking up dead bees, and I don't mind that, but if they're trying to get in the hive, I'm actively gonna assist.